If you feel like you're doing everything right in your business, but you're not attracting high paying clients, it's probably not your service. It's how you're positioned. And I've seen it over and over again, and I've actually experienced it myself. So in this video, I'm going to break down the main 3 reasons why this is happening and what you can fix today. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Deandra. I am a brand strategist and a web designer here to help you elevate your brand and attract high paying clients. I have several ways to work with me. If you want to check that information out, it'll be in the link in the description. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to talk about is positioning. And positioning is just how you are positioning yourself in the market, making sure that you are in alignment with your ideal client and making sure you have that it factor to make you stand out from the rest. And the thing is, you can be so amazing at what you do, but still not have the proper positioning. So if people don't understand what you do, they won't buy from you. And also, when you try to serve everyone, it waters down your brand tremendously. You can't attract those clients that you really want. So what I always recommend with your positioning is having a clear niche or specialization. And that's what helps you stand out from the rest and helps your positioning a little more, especially right now in this market that everything is super saturated. You have to get clear. And I know everyone talks about niching and all of that good stuff, but it really does help. So for example, in my business, I lead with brand strategy. I have a gift for seeing what's not working in a business and also looking at the totality of a business and their brand. So I lead with brand strategy. I'm a brand strategist. And then I also offer websites and systems as a secondary service. So I don't always lead with that, but it's something that I can do. And when you have a business, making sure that you lead with your specialty first, and you can always upgrade your clients into different services that you do offer in your business because you want to be known for what you do specifically, and then you can do all of the other great things that you can do as well as a secondary factor. Clarity is what builds the trust. So starting with that foundational niche or specialization and then moving forward. People don't pay more for confusion, they pay for clarity. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is pricing, and this is the big topic that I know a lot of people struggle with within their businesses. So the thing about pricing is you have to be very strategic because if you price your offers and services too low, people are going to question the value of the service, especially if there are people in your industry at a higher price point and you are way, way below that price point. They're going to be like, yeah, this is cheaper, but am I going to get that same high value experience with this cheaper price? And you don't want to have anyone questioning your value. And a lot of people will look at your price and be like, this is too good to be true. I'm just going to go pay more where I feel comfortable because I know that this person's charging their price because they know what they do. And for me, that's exactly what I've done in all my businesses, especially in my previous business when I did luxury event design. I charged top dollar for what I did and people paid it because they knew that I was going to come through, give them the right experience, and my work speaks for itself. So if you are charging a high price point, make sure that you are showcasing that value in a way that people feel comfortable and want to buy from you, and making sure that you are providing an elevated experience with your services. And sometimes it's not that people can't afford you, it's just that they don't believe you yet. So the third point that I'm going to be talking about is brand presence. And this is another reason why you're not attracting high paying clients. Your brand presence is so important. And I feel like a lot of businesses miss this part. They just think, oh, let me just make a little real quick in Canva, get some colors and just start posting. And it's okay to DIY these things. But the problem is that when it's not consistent throughout your platform, it doesn't look elevated. And then you're trying to position yourself as a high-end service provider. It just doesn't make any sense. If you want to position yourself as a high-end service provider, you're going to have the branding and brand experience to match it. And that includes making sure your website is up to date and elevated. You can't be trying to sell something high end without having that online presence to match. And even if you don't have a website, making sure that your Instagram portfolio and images showcase that elevated feel. So what hurts your brand presence is outdated websites, generic visuals, too much text on your website, and no clear transformation. So if you don't have all of these things in place within your brand presence, it can be super hard to get a client to want to actually inquire and work with you. For example, I had a client who does content creation and visuals for luxury brands and businesses, and he wanted to elevate his business. He came to me and we built a strategy to elevate his brand presence. I helped him position himself within his market with better storytelling and a better understanding of what he's doing and what he provided so it's clear. And then we created this website, and the website came out beautiful. It really showcases his talent and also tells a story throughout the website. And now he is continuously attracting high-end clients and doing what he does best. All of this combined is what helps your business start attracting those high-paying clients who want to throw their money at you, because people are out here ready to spend it. You just have to position yourself and be in the right spaces to get those clients. Some key things when you do look at your website from a different approach, think like this: less is more. So less text equals more clarity. Show your results, show your experience, and show who it's for. Really tailor your website and your offers to your specific ideal clients so that they can look at your offers and be like, ooh, that is me. I want to work with this person. I feel like we are aligned. Your brand should make people feel something before they even talk to you. So when you bring all of that together, your positioning, your pricing, and your overall brand presence, that's what creates a high-end experience. And that's what high-paying clients are actually looking for. Now, if you know your brand is not positioned in the way that it needs to be, I do offer brand clarity sessions where we go through your entire brand top to bottom, your positioning, your messaging, and your online presence. You leave with a clear direction and an actionable plan to get you going. I'll link that below if you want to work with me. And if you're not ready yet, I also have a free brand audit guide in the description that you can go through on your own to see what's missing or not working. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helps you out. Please make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you want to hear more from me. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.